One bright morning, AumSum was getting ready for school when he noticed something strange. As he took a step forward, he shot straight into the air and landed with a big boing across his room. AumSum blinked in surprise and looked down. Springs, gigantic metal springs, had somehow replaced his feet. At first, he tumbled around his house, bouncing into walls, knocking over furniture, and ricocheting off the couch. He bounced so high in the kitchen that he grabbed a banana from the top shelf without even trying. AumSum figured out how to balance and started springing around with excitement. He stepped outside, and with one jump, he soared over his front gate. Children playing in the park stopped and stared in awe as AumSum zoomed over their heads like a superhero. With every bounce, he went higher, faster, and farther. The fun didn't last long. The sky darkened, and storm clouds rolled in. A heavy rainfall began, flooding streets and playgrounds. People tried to escape the rising water, but it was too fast. Cars were stuck, shops were flooded, and some kids were trapped on top of a jungle gym surrounded by water. Using his spring-loaded feet, AumSum leapt onto the roof of a car and then launched himself toward the park. With careful bounces, he reached the stranded kids. One by one, he helped them climb onto his back and bounced them to safety. Soon, news spread of a spring-footed hero rescuing people all over town. AumSum helped a cat stranded on a chimney and even bounced to the top of a building to rescue an old man waving for help. As the rain slowed and the sun peeked through the clouds, AumSum stood on a hill, soaked but proud. AumSum had become a real hero.